Hello guys, how are you doing? We are here in a Renault Clio 4 from building year 2018. A 900cc 3-cylinder engine with 90 horsepower. And I'm going to show you how you can replace the low beam H7 bulb. This front bulb, first open the hood, pull over here, and then you can see a lever over here. This one, slide it to the left, and at the same time you have to push and open the hood. And then we can see the 3-cylinder. You just have to remove this rubber part. There's a little latch over here, you can pull on it. Then you can remove this. And then you can see this iron piece over here. Over here it tilts, and on this side you have to push, and then at the same time you have to slide it to the right, and then you can release the right side. But first we will disconnect the wires, so just pull on the connector and it will come loose. And then also on the left side you have to push and slide it to the left. And then you can tilt the two iron parts beneath, and now you can take the bulb out. Like that. And you can see it's located like this, so this part is above. Bulb is a H7, 12 volt, 55 watts, H7, Osram, made in Germany. If you want to put it back into the car, so this part is above. Place it in like that, and then we have to tilt this again. And this is how you replace the front bulb H7 low beam from a Renault Clio 4. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.